Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this video segment, we'll provide an overview of setting up schedules. Schedules allow users to customize messages for the Auto Attendant feature, Call Forwarding Selective feature, and others. These messages are played for callers to hear during events. Events represent the days of the week, times of day, holidays, and regular times that the office is open or closed. One schedule can contain multiple events. This feature is available with most Voice Manager packages and IP Centrex. To access the Schedules feature, open the My Account portal in your web browser. Enter your My Account user ID and password in the corresponding fields and click the Sign In button. From the My Account Welcome page, scroll down the page to the My Services section, click the Voice tab, and then click the Voice Tools icon. Scroll to the User and System Management panel and click the View More Features link. Now click the Schedules link. The Schedules Events screen displays schedules that have been set up previously and a link to edit or delete those schedules. We'll begin by learning how to edit an existing schedule. Click the Edit link to the right of the schedule you want to modify. Please note that you can only rename the schedule in this window. You cannot change the type or access or holiday designation of the schedule. Enter the new name, Regular Office Hours. The type of schedule can be regular or holiday, and the access type can be group or personal. Descriptions of each are discussed later in this tutorial. Click the Save button. The new name of the schedule appears in the list. All schedules must have at least one event that defines a time interval or range and its recurrence pattern. You can view the events for any schedule by clicking the triangle to the left of the schedule's name. In this example, the Regular Office Hours schedule contains an event called Weekly Schedule. Clicking the Edit link in the Manage column will open the Edit Event window, where you can see the details for the event and make changes. In this example, you can see that this event is part of the Regular Office Hours schedule. The event name is Weekly Schedule. It starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. Notice that the Recurs drop-down menu is set to Weekly on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The event is set to Never End. The start date and end date are not relevant in this example, because this is a weekly recurring event. Let's make the event name more specific by changing it to, say, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. When you have finished making changes, click the Save button. This business is open on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., so we need to add a second event. From the listing of all schedules, click the triangle to the left of the schedule name to expand. You'll see an Add Event link. Click it, and the Add Schedule Event window appears. The Schedule Name drop-down defaults to the name of the schedule on the screen where you click the Add Event link. Enter the name for the new event, Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Next, set the start and end dates and times for the event. The start date and end date default to the current date, which means the new event will go into effect immediately. You don't need to select an end date because you are making a weekly recurring event. Set the start time to 10 a.m. and the end time to 2 p.m. Set the Recurs drop-down to Weekly. If this was set to Never, you would need to add an end date, or your event would only be in effect for one day. Keep the default Weekly option at 1 and select the Saturday checkbox. Set the end event to Never. The other options allow you to choose a specific end date or number of occurrences. Click the Save button to save your new event. Now that you've seen how to edit an existing schedule and add events to it, let's learn how to set up a new schedule by creating a holiday schedule for this business. From the Schedules Events screen, click the Add Schedule Event button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the name of the new schedule. In this case, the name is Holidays All. It will comprise all holidays in a calendar year. Remember that each holiday will be configured as its own event. Holiday schedules and events are used for any time a schedule differs from normal business hours, such as closing the office early, office vacations, staff meetings, and holidays. Because you are configuring a holiday schedule, check the Holiday Radio button. This schedule applies to the entire business, so keep it as group access. If you are setting up a schedule for yourself, select Personal Access. Remember, group schedules and events apply to the entire business. Personal schedules and events apply to you only. When creating a new schedule, we have to add one event. We are setting up Thanksgiving as the event name, and it will last all day. Select Yearly in the Recurs dropdown. And set the date as the fourth Thursday of every November. Select Never from the End drop-down menu. If you want to add events for other holidays like Independence Day or Memorial Day, we would click the Save and Add Another button. In this example, click the Save button to finish this schedule and event. To add holidays later, click the Add Event link for this schedule. To delete an unused schedule and its corresponding events, click the Delete link. Note that a schedule that is being used cannot be deleted. You must deactivate it first and then click the Delete link. You'll also want to set up an after-hours schedule. This type of schedule is used frequently to route calls differently when the business is closed. After-hours schedule configurations vary due to the days and times of day that your business is not open. We recommend setting up the Schedules feature early in the overall My Account configuration process because it's required to complete setup of other features. For more information about this feature and others, visit coxbusiness.com/starthere.